few years ago, I made a video showing off the Wallpaper Engine program on Windows. To this day, I still use that program for all of my Windows computers like daily. For only $3.99, that was probably the best app I've ever purchased on any platform, period. I made so much use of that. With a constantly expanding wallpaper library made by talented users, my monitor always displays a relevant background to trending pop culture references. I didn't think it could get any better until I stumbled upon the Wallpaper Engine Android companion app a few weeks ago. I didn't even know it existed. And I don't know how this got past my radar for half a year, but with this companion app, my Android wallpaper game has completely elevated to a whole other level. If you don't know what Wallpaper Engine is, here's a refresher. It's a program that can be purchased on the Steam store to control your wallpaper. Sounds simple enough. Even though it's on the Steam store, it technically isn't a game. It's essentially an interface to manage live wallpapers as well as a digital storefront to download them from other users who upload their designs. There's such a wide variety of wallpapers for download that there's really something for everybody, whether you like animated oriented things, nature themed, or even like the meme spectrum. Like their motion in each wallpaper ranges from significant to nearly non-existent. It'd be really hard to not be able to find something you'd like to use on Wallpaper Engine. We're not sponsored, unfortunately, but a quick search on the Google Play Store and you're swamped with a bunch of Zedge-like apps. It can be a bit jarring to find a quality wallpaper that has movement to display on your background. With the Wallpaper Engine companion app, we can actually transfer those same high-quality wallpapers on your Windows onto your Android devices. Alright, so after downloading the Android app and simultaneously having that Windows variant open, a mobile device section will be accessible to wirelessly connect the two systems. Once you select your phone, the Wallpaper Companion app will recognize the PC and highlight green. On the right panel under the mobile devices category, selecting the icon will open a new menu that allows users to customize the wallpaper to best fit on whatever the mobile screen size is. This is where the cropping for aspect ratio differences, as well as, say, the FPS and also the video resolution, can be adjusted to optimize for performance based on the specs of your phone. Since most wallpapers on Wallpaper Engine have a 16:9 or wider aspect ratio, this process allows us to align that 9:16 or narrower aspect ratio to hit whatever spot we want to display on that image. I love the flexibility and the depth we can accomplish here on the PC so that when you click accept, you don't really have to tinker with anything once it's on the phone. Once that progress bar is completed, the wallpaper is now stored on your companion app and you no longer need to access your PC to influence it. It's essentially a wireless iTunes store. Wow, that's a really old reference. You can also import files from your smartphone into your Wallpaper Engine companion app and use it basically as like your all-in-one smartphone wallpaper gallery to keep everything in one place. That's kind of nice too. There's so many wallpaper apps nowadays. As for the concern of whether the animated wallpapers drain the battery life on the smartphone and the PC is plugged in, so you don't have to worry about that, the app doesn't even register as a top 10 offender in my battery consumption. So after being on iOS for nearly a year, it is kind of fun and refreshing to have a PC-like desktop space again on my handheld that I can design the home space around. With this Android companion app, that $3.99 I spent last decade, it just keeps on giving. It's awesome. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'm Alex from the Subnautics. If you guys enjoyed this video, definitely hit that like button. It helps the channel a lot and lets me know what you guys like watching. Leave me a comment what your favorite type of wallpaper is, and if you've used Wallpaper Engine. And also hit subscribe. I don't think you guys want to miss any of our videos. We have a lot of great stuff coming up. So, I'll see you guys then.
So the other day, I was on a Zoom call at work, and I just dropped everything I was saying, and I told them, subscribe.